Hey guys, it's SterlingW. We're going to do a quick unboxing of the Jackery Explorer 240. This is a really awesome, small, lightweight power station that I just got, which is really cool. I've been using it for about several days now, and I've been using it, of course, for video gaming and stuff. Of course, there is a 12 volt out port, as well as a USB 2 charging port, and also a pure sine 110 volt 200 watt inverter built into this thing. Now, when it came out of the box, it already had about 49% in terms of the power supply that was already in there. If you're using this for a CPAP, they suggest using the Explorer 500 model instead of this one. This one is actually like the second to the lowest grade, but the 500 model actually has a 13 to 40 hour working time for CPAP machines, which, for a few friends of mine who actually use CPAP machines, it would be good if they're using it during their sleep. So anyways, long story short, there's different solar generators for different purposes that like Jackery has, and it looks pretty cool. I got the 241 because that's all I really needed, because I'm just trying to play video games for about 3 hours, either in my car or when I'm remote, or waiting for something. So anyways, that's really about it. There is a 2-year warranty on these things, and doing this unboxing really quickly, it is pretty cool. It comes with a bag and cables, and of course there is the power supply, and there's also an envelope with a manual in it. So it's a solar generator, that's what it's called. The reason why is because all you can do is add a solar panel to this using an MPPT connector. It's actually an 8mm connector goes with it, and inside the bag you actually have the power supply that charges through AC adapter, as well as a 12 volt car adapter. Now, using both of these, it takes roughly around 5 to 6 hours according to the manual, and I charged this fully. It took roughly around 5 hours. When you get it out of the box, it was 46% on the charge already, so it only took about another 2.5 3 hours to actually charge this to full. As you can see, there's a display button, and there is also a 12 volt button. You have to turn on each of these power supplies to actually turn them on or power up those outputs. Again, 5 volt, 2.4 amp USB ports, 110 volt pure sine 200 watt inverter, and there's a little fan on the inverter, and that's a 12 volt socket as well. So I use that 12 volt socket to test out my 12 volt devices. And that display button is a multi-function button. You can actually use that display. Let's peel off this little plastic off first. There you go. You can see a better view of the display. It's illuminated. If you hit the display button, it turns on the illumination. But at the same time, it also has, this thing does a reset or does a surge or whatever like that, you hold the reset button, it resets the thing. There are rubber feet on the bottom, which makes it nice and sturdy. And this is very lightweight. It's only roughly 6 pounds and stuff. The instruction manual has a lot of stuff in it, but a lot of the functions of it, you just basically reset with that reset button or the display button by holding it down for like 8 seconds or something like that. There's a lot of other stuff and warnings and stuff like this, but it was mostly a brochure for other things, but very useful. Overall, it gives me about 3.5 hours of playtime on my mobile gaming system, and that's what I like about it. Anyways, guys, this is SterlingW. I hope this review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.